Hi, I hope you will fine. In this video, we will discuss making fillet and chamfer for our sketches. Fillets and chamfers can be applied between two sketch entities, usually between two lines. Let's see what our fillets and chamfers are and how they can be defined. Fillets can be viewed as a type of arc, thus they are defined in the same way, that is, with a center and a radius. Chamfers can be defined in different ways. This includes two equal distances, two different distances, or a distance and an angle. Fillets and chamfers are different than other sketching commands, in that we will apply and define fillets and chamfers at the same time. Thus, they won't follow our typical procedure of outlining and then defining. We will sketch what's shown on the screen. First, as always, we have to open a new file. So I click on File over here and click on New Part and then OK. And the second step is to select a plane to sketch on. I click on Front Plane and I click on the Sketch. Over here on the command bar on the rectangle drop down menu, there is different types of rectangles. You can select to sketch a rectangle. I select the center rectangle and by the first click I sketch its center and the second click sketch the one of its corners. I click on this check mark over here, or you can click on the escape key to exit rectangle command. And again, over here on the command bar, there is fillet command and also chamfer command. I click on this sketch fillet. Alternatively, we can select line 1 and 2 and then select the sketch fillet command. I click on line 1 and 2, or you can just click on the corner over here. This will bring up a preview of the fillet on the canvas. You can find options on the left-hand side in place of the design tree. Under fillet parameters, fill in the radius of the fillet as 1 inch. I type it. Then click on the green check mark. This concludes making the fillet. Now that we've made the fillet, we can press escape key to exit the fillet sketching mode. Now that we've sketched the fillet, we will move on to sketching chamfer. The chamfer that we had in our final sketch is defined in 3 ways. Let me bring our sketch. Our chamfer is defined in 3 ways. 2 different distances, distance and an angle, and 2 equal distances. Note that this angle over here indicates the angle measurement between the line 4 and the chamfer itself. Thus, hold down Control key and select line 4 and 3. After that, select the sketch chamfer command over here. Similar to the fillet command, we will get the preview of the chamfer. Also, on the left-hand side, we'll find more options that we can use to define our chamfer. Select over here. There is 2 options. Select angle distance. Set the distance to 1 inch and click enter. And set the angle to 30 and again click on enter key and click on the check mark over here. This time I hold down Control key and select line 2 and line 3 and click on escape chamfer command. Between these 2 options I click on distance and I click on equal distance. And I set the distance to 0.7 and I click on enter and click on the check mark over. And then again, hold down Control key and select line 1 and 4 or just click on the corner, this corner of the rectangle. And select this chamfer command. This time we don't check the equal distance. and we set one of the dimensions to 1 and the other one to 0.5, and click on this check mark over here and press escape key to exit the chamfer command. This concludes how to create fillets and chamfers. In this exercise, we learned what fillets and chamfers are and what defines them, and how to create fillets and chamfers in SolidWorks sketching mode. Now we know how to use all the major basic sketching commands. You will use these commands over and over again when working with the software. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, and if you've got any questions, any ideas, I'll be happy to read your comments. Thanks for watching.